Welcome back. Today I'm just going to do a quick recap on some of the trades that I took for January the 26th into the 27th. So we're going to start with GBPCAD, which is the first trade that I took. Basically, this wasn't on the watch list, but eventually I had to add it. So it came after the video, unfortunately, but maybe next time I'll make sure to put all the pairs and review them. So what we had here is we attempted to actually go long yesterday, if you remember, from my previous video, and it failed. And momentum was really dying, so it was a lesson for me that, once momentum doesn't really come, I should kind of just walk out of it. But basically, we had this level right here, and what happened is it came back to it on the day, and it kind of held and started to run, and then so it just took a long right here. The next level was kind of basically these highs up there, and based on the momentum right here, it kept going and it jumped through, but then it just started to give me some tails back into the zone. Now, a lot of people can just say like, oh, this is a dip and buy it back again, but based on the strategy that I'm looking for a clean break and run without actually retouching. So that was basically just a quick exit right there for us, and that was really a nice return of almost 3% on the account, so that was a great addition. Second trade that we took was EURNZD. So EURNZD has the same function. That was, I think, this was on the list. So this was the zone that we were looking at. Kind of held, and I kind of took it right here, but it looked really vulnerable right there. So I was looking to see what this candle exactly at 4 a.m. Eastern actually was going to do, and good enough for me, it actually flushed. If it didn't, then I would probably have exited right there, but it did. And basically after that, we had an almost complete reversal right there, an engulfing candle almost in a way, but so to me this actually means that I should exit. The mistake that I did was obviously I didn't wait until the candle closed, and so when I did exit, I exited at the frickin' top because I am an idiot. So remember to always wait till the candle closes, and even if it did this and returned, that to me is just too much of a movement, so that would have been an exit. And so based on Kiwi strength here, I was able to see that we had some Aussie, Aussie yen was actually starting to move, so we'll move to another Asian currency right here. So basically what I was looking for is that the day closed right here, so we were in literally no man's land, so it was either a reaction from this one or this one. And so once it came down here, it looked like it was going to hold, but then it just flushed, so kind of on the smaller time frame was able to take it. And then a lot of people started to buy right here because they thought that this was the important area, but actually this area is not important. This is the important area because this area has already been tested twice, and so whoever was here has been eliminated already. So the next step was down here, went down, and I thought that maybe it might, if it can, continue down below these, but it just didn't, and so just closed it right at the top right here. So that was a good trade as well. So almost a profit of about 5% on the day, a good day basically. Lesson learned a lot from GBPCAD, which was the mistake from last year, if you can tell on my post, and which I have on my Instagram, so if you want to know what I'm talking about right here, this is what I talked about. So these were the trades I took the day before. GBPCAD entered around this level right here, showed little upside, so that was, my grade got to me there. And so remember, we're in the business of risk management, so that was a good lesson for today. EURNZD did not kill me like it would have done if I didn't learn from my mistakes. USD-CAD, yesterday we went long, kind of had the same almost EURNZD movement, so we exited around there for a good profit on this one, but because of how much we took a loss on GBPCAD, in the end it wasn't a profitable day. So anyway, we live and learn. But if you want to follow me on my Instagram, I will be posting my watch list at my levels every day around 5 to 6 Eastern, and I'll do a quick recap though. But remember, this is just a semi-journal, so this is just a way for me to keep track, and I'm kind of just putting it out there. See if it can help anyone, or anyone can help me along the way. It would be great. Take care, buddy. Bye.